Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how you can add videos directly to your Power BI dashboard. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring your dashboards to life with engaging embedded videos. Whether you want to include training materials, product demos, or motivational clips for your team, having a video right inside your Power BI report can make your data even more powerful and interactive. So let's jump right in. Alright, to keep things focused, I'm going to assume you already have a table in your Power BI report that has video URLs. Maybe you're pulling in YouTube links, or perhaps these are videos that connect with your sales data, like product pitches or customer testimonials. For this demo, I just grabbed a random video from the web, but the process is exactly the same no matter which videos you want to use. Now, let's actually add a video player to your dashboard. In your Power BI desktop, look over to the Visualizations pane. You're going to see a variety of visuals, bar charts, pie charts, tables, and so on, but video isn't there by default. So we need to expand our options by going to Get More Visuals. This is like visiting an app store for Power BI, where you can find plugins and tools designed by the community and Microsoft to help you go beyond the basics. Give it a second to load up, and in the search box at the top right, type Video Player, all one word. This is an officially supported custom visual that does exactly what we need. When you see Video Player pop up in the results, just click on it, then select Add. Power BI will install this visual component, and after a brief moment, you'll notice the Video Player icon will appear at the bottom of your visuals list on the right-hand pane. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds. Sometimes Power BI is just being thorough and making sure everything is set up perfectly. Now, with the Video Player icon in your visuals, just click it, like you would with any other chart or graph. This will add the Video Player frame right onto your report canvas. You can resize it and move it around as needed, just like a picture frame. Imagine it as a TV screen you're mounting in your analytics living room. You decide where it goes for maximum impact. Here comes the really important part. We need to tell this video player where to find the actual video. That's where your video URL column comes in. Simply drag the column from your data fields, the one containing your video link, onto the video player window where it says to add data. This is basically handing the video player its remote control and saying, "Here, what you should play." Once you've dropped in the video URL, you should see the thumbnail load up instantly in the visual. Go ahead, press play, you'll see your video start right inside Power BI. This isn't just for fun. Embedding video can be a fantastic way to supplement your dashboard with deeper insight or even context for your data. For example, if you're tracking sales, you could link each row to a short commercial or sales pitch targeted to that region. Or use it for internal training by embedding procedure walkthroughs right alongside your KPIs. And that's it. Just like that, you've elevated your Power BI report with interactive video. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and if you hit any snags or have questions about the process, please drop them down in the comments below. If you learned something valuable here, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and data-driven tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.